Do you have a 3D file that you want to import into uMake? Awesome! First, make sure you transfer your other 3D files into your Files folder on your iPad. Next, tap Import from the top of the uMake file manager. This will open up a pop-up informing you of the compatible file formats and then giving you an option to open your Files app. Navigate to the 3D file in your Files app and then tap on the file you want to import. uMake will begin importing the file and once imported, automatically open up a new project. Additionally, opening compatible 3D files from email or the web and then selecting uMake as the app to open the file will import the file into uMake. Lastly, Mac users can use AirDrop to send compatible 3D files to the iPad. Selecting uMake as the app to open the files will also import the files into uMake.